Hi everyone, and welcome to a quick Vinyasa practice together today. For those of you that have an advanced practice, feel free to enjoy some of the more advanced options today, allowing yourself to jump back to chaturanga or pop up into a handstand. And for those of you that might be moving into a Vinyasa practice slowly or just enjoying the pace that we're at, feel free to stick with me. So grab your mat if you don't have one yet, and we're gonna go ahead and move into downward facing dog to start. I want you to find your down dog by spreading your fingers wide and then letting your heels reach back. And then take your body and then press it back towards your legs more, so you're gonna elongate the spine. So you don't wanna hold here in down dog. A lot of people stay forward. I want you to really push yourself back. The word Vinyasa means to flow, so that's how this sequence will move today. So we're gonna go ahead and inhale, move forward to plank. And then exhale back to down dog. Good, we'll do that 3 more times. Inhale forward, exhale back, inhale forward, exhale back. And then 1 more time, inhale forward, good, exhale, push it back. From here, I want you to tiptoe all the way up to your hands so you're in a yummy forward bend. And then allow your knees to soften. Reach for the back of your legs and then pull your chest to your thighs for me, lifting your tailbone up to the sky, lowering the head. And then on your next breath, you're gonna place your hands on your legs, lift halfway up, and then very gently fold forward. Good, do that again. Inhale, halfway lift, and then exhale, fold forward. Thumbs to the crease of your hips. Inhale, rise up, engage your legs. Push into your feet and then inhale, reach up into the sky for me. And then exhale, pull your hands to your heart and allow your eyes to close for a moment. So find a spot where you can set your intention, allow yourself to feel focused and good about your body. And then on your next breath, blink your eyes open, reach your arms up high. And then exhale with soft knees, bow forward. Inhale, lift and lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. We're gonna step our feet back to high plank. Remember, the option is always to jump. Lower through chaturanga. Inhale, push and lift the heart. And then exhale, back through down dog. Raise your right leg, please, to the sky, and then exhale, gently step it forward. Warrior 1 as your back heel comes down. Inhale, bring your arms up high. Palms press as you lean back, let your heart open. From here, take your hands around, palms flat. Lead with your heart forward. Good, inhale again, come back up to warrior 1. And then exhale as you straighten your right leg. We're gonna bow forward over the right leg, fingertips lead forward. Keep your toes down if you can, and lower the head. Great opportunity to use blocks here if needed. And then on your next breath, inhale, bend the front knee, peel the back heel up, ground the left palm, and then reach your right arm into the sky. Twist. Exhale, drop your heels, and then step it back, plank. Inside plank, we're gonna reach with our right arm, and then again, bring the hand down, slowly lower through chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, back to down dog. Inhale, we're gonna raise our left leg this time. Exhale, step forward. Root the back heel, inhale, rise. Bring your palms together for warrior 1. On your next breath, reach forward and out wide with the heart, and then allow your chest to hover here. Keep your back foot rooted. Inhale, bring yourself back up, and then allow your hands to move to your hips. Straighten the leg, pull the right hip forward, lead with the heart, and then reach the fingertips out. Good, fold over the front shin. Feel the effort in your hamstrings here as you fold, soften, and try to press through your toes. From here, bend into the front knee, peel the back heel up, right hand down, left arm up. And then again, we're gonna step back into that side plank. So drop the heel, and bring the feet together. Look up for 3. Remember to advance this pose. You can always raise your top leg. Bring the hand down, and then we'll lower together. Inhale up, and then exhale back. Let's repeat that sequence. Right leg rises, exhale, warrior 1. Bring the palms together over the head, take a big back bend, and then bring yourself forward, hover, breathe in, find length through the heart. And then inhale, come back up, warrior 1, straightening the right leg. And then keep the toes down, dive forward, working on the hamstring stretch. You'll bend the knee, peel the back heel up, reach up with the right arm. Exhale, Vastisthasana, your side plank. Lift your hips, breathe in. And then again, you can chaturanga, or to make it easier, just lift your hips to down dog. That way you don't use your power. Left leg. Exhale, step through. Warrior 1, inhale, reach. Lean forward and hover with airplane arms. Inhale, come back up, warrior 1. Left leg straightens. Exhale, lean forward, dive and fold. Bending the front knee, peeling this left arm up high. And then again, stepping back. Lower the bottom knee if needed. Take a big inhale. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, or skip it. Up dog or cobra. So again, cobra, my hips are down. Up dog, they lift. And then push it back. I want you guys to slowly take your time, and we're just gonna have a seat in the middle of our mat. You're gonna hug this right knee to the chest. We're gonna take the bottom of the right foot, and you're gonna extend it up into the sky. Good, really pull your leg towards you. Feel the effort of this hamstring. So notice it's moving a little bit in and out. And then allow your left hand to find the pinky toe side of it. Engage your inner thighs and then reach behind you. Look all the way at your back thumb. 3, 2, and then exhale, plant the foot. Sit up nice and tall, and then take your twist deeper by grounding the hand behind you. Take a full inhale. Exhale, we're gonna spin to our left. So you're gonna place your hands to your left and then pivot, watch your right foot. Flex the leg that's extended, which would be your left leg. Grab your left foot with your right hand or hold your calf muscle. This left arm is gonna find chaturanga. I'm gonna push into my right foot. So all I did was twist to the right and then twist to the left, okay? I pivoted my foot, I reach, and then watch. I'm gonna use this arm for chaturanga, pick up my butt. Hold 3, 2, and 1, release. Good work. Bring the right knee back into the chest, and then exhale, reach it long. Now go ahead and take this left foot, and again, bend it in, extend it out. Bend, extend, and then pull it in by bending the elbows and then working on that hamstring. Exhale, taking the side of the foot, and then big stretch behind you. Engage your inner thighs, so hug them in towards each other. Keep flexing this bottom foot. Rotate through for 3. Keep twisting, 2. And then we're gonna ground the foot, take a deeper twist, so push down through your toes, sit up tall, and then exhale, twist to your left. Good, 3. Twist more for 2. And 1. So again, same thing as before, all right? So I'm gonna give you my back side so you can see kind of what I'm doing from all angles. We're gonna untwist, so move to the right, pivot the toes so that my toes are facing away from you. Reach for my foot, elbow of the right hand, chaturanga. So notice my elbow, it's outside of my arm. And then lift, 3, 2, and 1. Hard pose, so if you can't get it, that's okay. Hug your knee back to your chest, reach your legs long. And then we're gonna add a little core work here, so go ahead and lay down onto your back. I want you to very slowly allow yourself to hold the back of your head for me, and then crunch up to your thighs and lower. Good, lift and lower for 4, 3, 2, and then hold up for 1. Bring the knees to 90. Exhale, forward and up. Keep your head up, keep your shoulder blades up, and then allow the heels to reach forward and come in. Let's do 4. Breathe. Make sure your inhales and exhales are full and engaged. 2. You have 1 more. Knees at 90. Put your head down, give your neck a break, and you're going to curl your booty up and then put it back down. Curl it up and down. Try not to use momentum. My hands are behind my head, so I don't use my hands either. And my neck is resting for 4, 3, 2, plant your feet. We're gonna go back to those crunches. Lift up and lower. Lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, and stay up. Bring the heels up and then exhale forward and in. Really try to glue this back part of your low back down, so the lumbar spine. Last 3, 2, give me 1 more, and 1. Good, now put the head down, keep the knees at 90. You can keep the hands here, release them down, whatever you want, and then lift the booty. Good, find that little tilt of the pelvis that allows you to lift your butt up for 4, 3, 2 more, 2, and 1. Give your knees a big hug. You should have felt some heat being built there. Rock a little bit side to side for me. And then exhale, we're gonna rock up to seated. Cross the ankles, come forward, and then you're in hands and knees. So go ahead and bring the hands slightly in front of the shoulders. Pull the hips back so you can see forward, and then take the hips in a big yummy circle from the right and around. 2 more of those. Good, and then we're gonna reverse our direction, okay? So we're gonna take the hips from the left and forward. One more. Good, and then exhale, pull it back to your first child's pose, hips to heels, and then just take a moment here to breathe. We're gonna gently make our way forward to our hands and our knees, back to our down dog. Now that we've had some nice little stretches in our legs, we've warmed up the belly. You should feel much more flexible sometimes. Getting some heat in the body will allow your muscles to relax. Go ahead and pick the right heel up. Exhale, step it through. We'll come right into warrior 2 this time. So go ahead and bend the front knee, find the alignment with your middle toe, reach forward and back for me. Inhale, please reverse your warrior, reach up high. And then exhale, come back to warrior 2. And then stay with your legs here, but face towards me and bring your thumbs to your chest. Good, from there you're gonna lean the back of this right arm into the leg and then use that energy, watch my top shoulder pull back and twist. So there's a lot of work coming in through my hips, my back leg for 3, 2, and then I'm gonna look forward and return to my pose. Let's straighten our right leg, take a straight-legged reverse warrior, so reach up, and then exhale, cartwheel the hands forward. We're gonna pivot in the ball of the back foot, which helps us lift our heel to the height of our glute. From there, hands to heart as we find warrior 3. So create this balance by lifting the heart, and then engage your back leg, find the lift of the hamstring. Lead with your chest for 3, 2, come all the way up. We're gonna give our left knee a giant hug, and then we'll lower our feet together. Inhale your arms up high. Exhale, fold forward. Halfway lift your spine, gaze forward. Exhale, jump to chaturanga, step back to chaturanga or skip it all together. So those are 3 options for you. And then exhale, back to down dog. Let's do the second side of that sequence. So inhale the left leg up. Exhale, step forward. And let's find a nice, yummy warrior 2. So again, we bend the knee in line with the middle toe and then reach through both arms. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, reverse, get lots of space for me. Exhale, come back to warrior two, and then again, hands to the heart. From there, plug the back of your arm, you might be able to see it easier now, into your leg, and then roll your chest up. Lots of work through my back right leg as I twist and then peel open just a little bit more. 3, raise the top elbow, look all the way over the shoulder. 2, and then on your exhale, warrior 2. Go ahead and straighten the left leg, slide your back hand down, lots of space, reach, 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 reach. Good, exhale, cartwheel the hands down, pivot to the ball of the back foot, and then again, lift the right heel up. From there, find your balance, warrior 3. Keep lifting through the inner thighs, lift your back heel, come all the way up, knee to chest. Good, feet together. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bring the hands to the heart. Come onto the balls of your feet and then send your knees forward as you lower your tailbone down to your heels. From here, take a big inhale. Exhale, have a seat on your bottom, and then plug the knees to the chest, reach your arms forward. Raise your feet in line with your knees, and then if your knees bow out, hug them in for boat. Good, take a big inhale. Exhale, hold, and then maybe push your legs up. You already worked on stretching them out a few poses ago, so lift. And then when you're ready, cross your ankles and sit up nice and tall. Good, scoot back to the center of your mat for me. And then exhale from here, gently walk yourself forward and rest. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Slowly and carefully make your way back up. Good. Let the knees come into the chest as you plant your feet. Give yourself a big, yummy hug, and then really curl yourself forward over your knees. And then inhale, pick up your heart and look forward. Good, squeeze the shoulder bones together, keep lifting the chest. And then exhale, switch the cross of your ankles, come back to normal seated position. So before, if the right was on front or the back, you just switch. And I'm gonna turn towards you. You don't have to move on your mat. And I just want you to close your practice seated today, okay? So we've done a lot of seated stretches already, so I just want you to kind of close this quick vinyasa practice in a seat with your eyes closed. Do your best to inhale through the nose for 3, 2, hold the breath for 4, 3, 2, and then you'll exhale out for 5, 4, 3, 2, breath out. Inhale in for a count of 3, 2, pause at the top and hold for 4, 3, 2, and then you'll push the exhale out, 5, 4, empty the stomach, 2, and then normal breathing pattern. So you'll inhale in, and you'll exhale out. Go ahead and let your hands float to your heart. Thank yourself for attending this practice with me. Finding your mat, whether you're at home, traveling, or on vacation, awesome job. Please bow forward. Namaste. Thanks for practicing.